Where are you going?
Good morning, Captain Chris Osomo, and welcome aboard Flight 5J567 bound for Mactan, Cebu.
Then, ito na po ang ating sundo. Naglo-load na po tayo ng ating luggages. And this is our service for today.
Para sa ating Cebu City Tour, and our first destination is
SIRAO GARDEN in Cebu.
dito pala ang entrance at dito na rin ang payment. SIRAO pala yung una naming pinuntahan sa aming DIY itinerary kasi ito yung pinakamalayo sa aming accommodation, which is sa city center.
Yung payment. Oo. How much? Oh, 770. 70 pesos. Oh. Ayun pala yung kamay. SIRAO. Oo nga eh. So, ito yung kalahatan ng SIRAO. Oo nga, no?
Would you even be with me if it's so out of your way? Would you spend your time with me, building a life every day?
At ito na nga ang viral kamay. Aside from that, marami ka pang pwedeng pagpapicturan. Kaso, may pila dahil maraming tao at kulang ang silungan dito. Kaya dapat may dala ka talagang umbrella.
SIRAO.
Could be everything you wanted.
Welcome to SIRAO GARDEN in Cebu.
I don't mind. No, is it worth it?
Welcome. Our
I
Buddhas.
want you to tell me every time.
Open eyes, slowly. Ew. May stalls din. Kung gusto niyong bumili ng food. And ito po yung parking. So, we're going back na. Ang init! Look! Ang basang sisiw. Let's go!
The water's cold. I wish I known this road is in.
Ang second destination naman para sa ating city tour ay ang
Holding your mind.
Welcome to Temple of LEAH.
Standing by my side. We could be easily.
Hello! Where are we?
Welcome to LEAH.
Welcome! Ito po yung outside. Elsa! Let it go! Let it go! Takbo ka, takbo!
Anywhere in the world this time. We could be anything we ever wanted.
Where are you going? To?
Raccoons encounter.
We're going to eat lunch. So, ito po yung recommended ng aming driver sa Rico's Lechon. Dito po tayo ngayon magla-lunch. Okay, let's go. Let's eat. So, here is yung menu nila. And, aside from that, marami rin iba pang menu. And, let us eat. And yung rice nila. Eating time, mga gutom. Gutom-gutom Richard.
Ang third destination para sa ating city tour ay ang TAOIST Temple. And since temple siya, bawal lang maingay ang pagpicture, pero pwede kang magsindi ng incense pero may donation.
Welcome to Magellan'S Cross.
Ang ating fourth destination.
Ayan, entrance tayo. Yes. Ito yung entrance para sa Magellan'S Cross. Ah, may simbahan din. Ito yung Magellan'S Cross. At least may pila.
When this world is everything we wanted, why?
Welcome!
Fort? Ha? Anong fort yan? San Pedro? Ano daw yun? Oh, tara. This is El Frente. San Pedro. Oh. Ha? Oh, my God.
At ito naman ang ating 5th and last destination para sa ating city tour dito sa Cebu. Wala palang entrance fee dito, so kahit sino pwedeng bumisita.
Even I wanna even try when I could be everything you wanted.
Wow, ang daming flowers. And this is the gallery. Ooh. So, these are the arts. Ooh. Uy, Kati Abs. Labs. And, oh, sino to? Who is that, Mia? Dynasty Inn. Dito po ang aming accommodation. Dito kami matutulog ng 2 nights. The check-in. Woo! And then, the lobby. This is the waiting area. Okay. Oh. Where are you? Oh, Dynasty Inn. No, kasi we're gonna check in. We're gonna sleep here. Dynasty.
One.
Yeah,
Okay na kuya? 1, 2, 3.
Where are we? We're gonna see the WHALESHARK. So, ito po yung pila. Ang dami pong tao. So, ang gagawin na mauna is pipila muna dito sa may tent. Then, for the registration and then payment, after nyan, magkakaroon ng orientation dyan sa isang kabana. And then, tsaka ka pupunta na sa beach. So, meron po silang CR. Ganito po karami yung mga tao. Registration, orientation.
Second is no flash photography, since WHALESHARKs are sensitive to light. When it's like this,
Where are you?
In the boat.
Dito po ang beach area para sa ano yung WHALESHARK.
Ayun, pwede.
Dito po ang sakayan ng bangka. Ayan po. Marami pa po. Dito na yun sa WHALESHARK area. Let's go!
Driving the highways, runaways, forget our past. I wanna outgrow this moment.
Boarding na.
Now I want it to always last. I don't mind. This is the life I wanted. I wanna know.
Kita kayo, 1, 2, 3, lubog.
Nakita mo? Medyo malayo. Eh, video kita. Asan ka? Ha? Oh, tala. Oh, dapa ka. Hello. Hello, me. Hello.
Hi. Ako. Natalikan mo ba? Ma'am, natalikan mo.
Ano sa likod ko?
Ito.
Mia.
Nakaset na? 1, 2, 3.
I couldn't forget this moment. The water's cold. I wish I know this road isn't the easiest. I wanna know what you told in your mind when you're standing by my side. We could be easily
Very intimidating kasi yung laki ng WHALESHARK, and for safety na rin, we always keep our distance.
anything we ever wanted. 'Cause why would we even not wanna even try when this world is everything we wanted? Why would we even know?
A very important reminder pala para sa magda-dive with the WHALESHARK, bawal po ang sunscreen. So, let us protect our WHALESHARK.
Everything you wanted. 'Cause why would we even not wanna even try when this world is everything we wanted? Why would we even not wanna even try when I could be everything you
Ayos.
Sardines and turtles!
Yay! So, dito yung registration. Dito magre-register, dito magbabayad, at meron ding seminar. Ang binigay po sa amin is isang bangka worth 2,500 po. Punta kami sa Pescador. Dahil seminar time. Punta na po tayo sa ating seminar.
Sardines and turtles!
Sardines and turtles.
Turtles.
And turtles. Dito ang kanila tourism. Yeah! Dito tayo man. Ang gagawin mo dito? Ha? Sit down ka, magsa-seminar ka muna eh. Seminar. Orientation. Let's go. So, tell me, Richard, where are we going? Ano? Pescalan? Pescalan Island? Sardines at saka turtle. Para siyang island natin. Pescalan? Pesque. Pescador? Pescador ako, Pescalan. Pescador. Pescador. This is yung registration area. Tapos, punta na tayo sa ating boat. And magsisimula na ang ating tour. So, yung namin naging 3,000 plus mayroon po kaming 700 pesos na environmental fee na binayaran. So, yun po yung total ng aming binayaran. Yes, that's our boat na po. That's our boat. We're gonna ride. Yan po ang aming gagamitin for the whole trip.
Heaven? Wow! What cloud is that? Cumulus cloud? Wow!
I wanna grow this moment. I want it to always last.
So, ang una nating activity ay snorkeling.
Yung mga nagpaparent ng fins, nagpaparent ng GoPro, kung gusto nyo. Pero, we're prepared. At yung fin namin ay, kabila lang. Vest is provided, snorkel is provided, mask is provided. So, basically complete.
This moment, the water's cold. I wish I know this road isn't the easiest. I wanna know.
Oh! Ano dito, turtle? Turtle Island.
Welcome to the Turtle Island!
Again. Oh, look.
Welcome to the Turtle Island!
What you you told in your mind when you're standing by my side. We could be easily anywhere in the world this time. We could be anything we ever wanted. 'Cause why would we even not wanna even try when this world is everything we wanted? Why would we even not wanna even try when I could be everything you wanted? Everything